Hi everyone, I'm Amal. We met in the previous video about interview tips, and so today we are discussing about how to create an attractive resume, a single page resume. So everyone know what is a resume, right? Resume plays an important role in your career. Okay, then we have already given a template in the description box, and also we provided a registration link of Way to Job. Way to Job is a very useful portal for the freshers. Let's start. So every resume have 5 important parts: personal details, objective, educational details, achievements, experience or projects.
Personal details to include in your CV. A good CV should include a lot of information about you, including your education, employment, and qualifications. What are the personal details should be on your CV? Your name. Write your name in a larger font than the rest of your CV to make it stand out. Marital status and the family details. Date of birth, nationality, contact details, and other information that you can include on your CV.
The next is, what is a good objective for a resume? The most effective objective is one that is tailored to the job you are applying for. It states what kind of career you are seeking and what skills and experiences you have that make you ideal for that career. A resume objective might also include where you have been and where you want to go in your career. So the next is education section of a resume. Always include the following informations: the degree you received, your specialization, the name of your school, its location, and your graduation year. Start with your highest educational attainment. List all details other degrees in a reverse chronological order. Delete high school education if you are already graduated from a college. Remove your graduation date if you earned it more than 5 years ago. Of course, these guidelines don't apply to all situations. I will discuss all of these in more detail in the next videos. So the next is experiences and project. If you are having any kind of experience, you can input all experience details in your resume. Or if you are a fresher, you can fulfill that portion with your project details. So let's begin to explain a project in your resume. So start with an overview. Just a list of what the project was all about. Example, title or concept and purpose. Explain the step-by-step process of what you did in order to make the project successful. Mention if there were any issues encountered during the process and what you have done about it. So the next about achievements. Your achievements are the things you did which made a positive impact and contribution to your employer business. The skills and knowledge you would need to perform your everyday work duties do not count. The most powerful achievements are those which are quantifiable. So include numbers or percentage where possible. So these are the main things you have to remember before writing an resume. And thank you for watching.